Look at all y'all camping in the tower.
Got a guy far right, far right. There you go, shoot out there. Christian. I don't want him. Oh, guys, the window. We need someone down there.
In 10 minutes, if it becomes a stalemate, if we see that it becomes a stalemate.
I'm going to tell them to move up.
I'll give them like 30 seconds or so.
Yeah.
I told these guys, I let them know what was going on.
Yep.
Okay?
Well, they have to start moving up.
Yeah, I said you move up. You do not want Black Hawk to advance.
Exactly.
Far right, far right.
Get him, Brandon. Oh. You have respawns. You have 2. What's up? You get shot?
Firecracker walk in my hand.
Oh, fuck. You alright?
I am good.
Get that bandaged up.
Move up, guys! Move up!
I need a mag. Extra mag. Anyone have an extra mag? Here. No, I'm out. How am I going to get back? I got you covered. I got you covered. All right. Go.
5 minutes left.
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
All right.
And then I'll yell out 30 seconds for Black Hawk advance.
I would give him a minute.
Give a minute?
A minute or 2.
Minute
Yeah.
two? Oh, yeah. Yeah, true.
Yeah, you want them to know that they're not moving up, so they got to start. They're going slowly though. They're moving up slowly, so
like it is moving. So you're not staying, so it is moving.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, I would give them a little while.
Yeah, let me get at least, you know.
And they have respawns, so it's like, well.
Yeah.
I'd say maybe another 3 minutes until they're allowed to move up, because these guys are just staying put here.
These guys are also running out of ammo.
They're running out of ammo.
Yeah.
I might just start letting them know right now, just so they can actually.
Let's do 1 minute. You want to do 1 minute or 2 minutes?
Let's just do 1 minute. Yeah. 1 minute till Blackhawk team can advance. Attacking side, you got to start pushing up. You got to start moving up and killing them.
Come on, guys, move up, move up. Let's go.
I feel like it's just getting my tongue, and I'm dead serious, man. And
Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? On their team.
Yeah, because these guys aren't.
They're not even doing it. See, I'd be bouncing off from, I wouldn't deal with the Lego, but I'd be bouncing off boom, 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 boom,
Yeah.
and then boom, and then this like here, but then you got,
Just use all cover.
you know,
just
boom,
bomb.
boom, yeah.
30 seconds until Blackhawk team can advance. 30 seconds. I don't know. He was in the game, then he died. I told him he had respawns, and he didn't come back.
No, I think he sat down.
Oh, he did? Wow. Whatever. Because he was the only one that was actually pushing up.
Yeah, he was. 30 seconds to Blackhawk in bed.
I think I said 30 seconds like 15 seconds ago. Whatever. Should just start like taking shots.
Just like really close to people to get him to move
Just
up.
really, yeah.
God, his gun just died, I think.
Maybe. Black Hawk team can advance. Black Hawk team can advance. Well, you got someone taking charge. No one's taking charge over there.
There's no strategy happening.
No, there isn't.
What the heck was that?
And we,
I went this way.
I think we warned him a
Gear.
bunch of
Please
times.
Just get my gear and just go out there and say, you know what, let's go.
He said,
Yeah.
Let's go forward.
You know?
Yeah.
That's one thing
Well, we
about
told
gear,
the
you
attacking
grab it, you know?
team so many times that like we will let them move up on you if you guys don't start gaining ground.
Squeeze right here. The entire thing falls off, so if you get shot.
Yeah. My wife had apparently lost a 20, and I'm hoping she found it. Yeah.
Is this the second time or third time that
Okay,
you
where
called?
was it? In the wash. Oh, you put it in your pocket. Okay, honey. All right. Okay. Love. Okay. Love you. Bye.
50 at
The
the mall one
wash?
time.
Okay, so I went this
The
morning.
washer or like a wash as in
no.
a desert?
She put no.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah, the washer, the wash machine. She
Oh.
she had put the 20 in her pants, and she was doing laundry this morning. So I took out $200, $150 to give to my niece. You know,
Uh-huh.
to have fun, whatever. So my wife says like, well, you don't need 60. I said, well, I need 40. So she here, take the 20, and that's what she did, man. She took the 20, she put it in her pocket. My wife she's real bad about that. I'm dead serious.
I know a couple of people who are like that.
I
Too.
mean, I go like this, take the money, and it's like this, open up, and it's in here.
I'm gonna walk around this way
Alright.
since they're
How much,
pushing this way.
How much time do you want to do this?
2 minutes. This is disgusting.
2 minutes?
I will take your
2 to 3
I
minutes.
will win, and I will win right now.
3 minutes until game over. 3 minutes. Everybody better start moving up and start shooting each other.
Advance to the left side. Advance to the left side. Move up to the tires up there, all right? On 3. I got you. Move up to the tires. 1, 2, 3. Sprint, sprint, sprint. He's down. Grab the plane, down. Move up, guys. Let's move up. Move up. Push forward. Guys, you don't do that. Come here.
It's good sometimes. Yeah, see now. Now you're gonna double fire. Well, not yo. That fucks the gun up.
I got him already.
Well, it's like triple fire.
It jammed like twice already.
Well, yeah, it's because of
When
stuff
you-
like this.
Yeah. Dust is not good for it.
Nah, it's not matter. It's just the shoot it. But you didn't watch it come out, did you?
Yeah.
Did you watch it roll out?
One minute until game is over. That's game! That's game!